Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris and I've been flying for over 40 years recreationally. I learned in a Cessna 152 Aerobat like many of you, and then I learned how to fly my dad's North American Navion, which was a great plane to fly. From there I decided I wanted to fly twins, and I purchased a Cessna 310R, which was a terrific plane to fly and beautiful. I also flew a Beechcraft Duke for many years and just recently sold that airplane. My latest adventure was learning how to fly a jet, specifically the Cessna Citation Mustang. It has been an absolute adventure learning how to fly that plane and learning all the more difficult parts of flying the jet IFR. I plan to share some of my flights on this channel, and I've noticed there's not a lot of detailed information about the Mustang on the internet and YouTube. So I hope to make videos in the future that can address some of the questions I've had to find answers for myself in the couple years I've been flying the plane. Many of my flights will be back and forth between Northern California and Salt Lake City. I will have some other trips, so sit back, relax, and hope you enjoy the information presented on this channel. Welcome. All right, welcome everybody. We're in Salt Lake and we're heading to California, so welcome along for the ride. I'll verbalize this part of the checklist for you if you want to follow along. So battery switch is on, standby amber light is off, parking brake is set, landing gear position lights 3 green, no red, cockpit lighting is checked, not needed, avionics power switch to on. Avionics power switch on, database checked, FOB sync. Okay, and then we do our rotary tests. One, change this. 40. Back to FOB sync. Alright, rotary test. Fire warning on. I have both fire warning lights. And it resets. Landing gear on. Silenced. And I have generators left and right off. Cabin altitude. Cabin out and cabin out, both clear. Stall warning horn. Stall warn fail, stall warn heater. And clears. Flaps to X, flaps fail. Overspeed. Anti-skid, no tire spin down, and anti-skid fail. And clears. Annunciators. Got all my lights. All those lights showing, and Norman dump showing. And that's it. Annunciator test. Test off. Okay, oxygen system is in, and I have oxygen. Fuel quantity and balance is checked. Over 2,000. No passengers. Checked all the fuel weights okay. 8 is to go. Avionics if desired. Avionics power switch off. That's powered off. Okay. No delay. If delayed, nope. Pre-flight inspection is complete. Wheel chocks are out. The cabin door is closed, and I don't have anything showing there. No passengers. Seats and seat belts are on. External lighting switches. The beacon is on. Air conditioning switch to off. Fan knobs are where I want them. ECAS showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Battery voltage is 25. That's good. And we're ready for start. So we're going to start left engine. Left side is clear. Beacon is on. N2's rising. Ignition. Fuel flow. ITT rising. N1 is rising. Good start on number 2. Amps are coming down. All the lights are out. Three are on. 2 is rising. ITT ignition. We have fuel flow. Two good starts.
Citation, would you just call me on ground frequency 121.9, just trying to check out.
Cisco, Denver contact clearance delivery 10 minutes prior to push. Advise on initial contact. You'll have information hotel. Salt Lake Airport ATIS information hotel 1954 Zulu. Wind 340 at 8. Visibility 10. Your clouds at 9,000. Your clouds at 25,000. Temperature 20. Dew point -2. Altimeter 3027. Remarks. AO2 sea level pressure 214. Tango 02001017. Simultaneous approaches in use. ILS runway 34 left. ILS runway 34 right, RNAV Yankee runway 35 for visual approaches in use. Notices to airmen. Taxiway Echo closed between Taxiway Foxtrot 3 and Taxiway Hotel. Wasatch Vortex.
Salt Lake clearance, Citation 401 Delta Echo. Looking for IFR to Charlie Romeo, Buchanan Field, and 200 is my maximum on climb.
Air 410 Delta Echo Salt Lake, sorry, clearance, that was you asking for your clearance, correct, to Charlie Romeo?
Affirm, 401 Delta Echo.
November 1 Delta Echo, cleared to Charlie Romeo Airport via radar vectors, desert, direct tipped in, then as filed. On departure, climb, maintain 9,000. And then I think you said you could not maintain 240 knots. Departure frequency is 135.5, squawk 6061.
All right, Citation 401 Delta Echo's cleared to Charlie Romeo, radar vectors, desert, tipped and then as filed. Expect 9,000 and affirm on the climb out, the max is 200 knots and the frequency is 135.5 and 6061 on the squawk.
Number 1 Delta Echo, Roger, on departure, maintain 200 knots and expect flight level 360 10 minutes after departure.
All right, on departure, maintain 200 knots and expect flight level 360 10 minutes after departure. 401 Delta Echo.
401 Delta Echo, and just to make sure we have everything on the same page, just on departure though, climb maintain 9 or 1,000 for the initial altitude.
Climb maintain 9 or 1,000, expect 360 and 10. 401 Delta Echo.
401 Delta Echo, thank you, readback is correct.
Salt Lake Ground, citation 401 Delta Echo at Duke Aviation, taxi with clearance and hotel.
401 Delta Echo, Salt Lake Ground, pull up to hold short, taxiway Kilo.
Pull up, hold short, taxiway Kilo, 401 Delta Echo.
Salt Lake Ground, Rock 15, clear of runway 35, Kilo 4.
Brakes check.
Going back to
Steering
spot 33.
checks. Source select check.
Takeoff 15 Salt Lake Ground, are you familiar with the inner ramp straight across there at Kilo 4?
Set.
Rock 15, I just need you off the runway, or correction, just pull up immediately. Rock 15, I need you to pull out there, taxi Kilo immediately.
Okay, Rock 15's moving.
Rock 15, thank you. It looks like you're maybe possibly still on the runway hold short lines there. Are you familiar with the inner ramp there straight across Kilo 4?
Yes, sir, Rock 15. Apologize about that. We're definitely clear visually, but we're inner Kilo.
Okay, Rock 15, thank you. Just use the inner ramp there straight across to the ramp.
Inner ramp straight across. Rock 15, apologize.
Rock 15, no problem, thank you. Air 1 Delta Echo, runway 35 taxi via Kilo.
Runway 35 via Kilo, 401 Delta Echo.
1 Delta Echo and information hotel current.
And I have hotel 1 Delta Echo.
Sky 6418 Salt Lake Ground, consider taxi via Hotel Foxtrot 5 to spot 16.
Citation 401 Delta Echo Tower.
401 Delta Echo, IFR Charlie Romeo.
Cirrus 1 Delta Echo, wind 34010, gust 14, turn left, heading 280, runway 35, cleared for takeoff.
Left to 280, clear for takeoff, 35, 1 Delta Echo.
Flex at 366, contact departure.
Clear on the left.
Departure Flex 366.
Power set. Takeoff power achieved. Airspeed is live. Having the cross check. E1, rotate.
Salt Lake Tower
Another
at
rate.
6,000, Rock 11.
You're up.
Rock 11, Salt Lake Tower, altitude your discretion, turn base when you're able, wind 33011, gust 14, runway 35, clear to land.
5 clear to
Here's
land,
up. Flaps
Rock
are
11.
up. Pilot on. Time is set.
Rock 11, traffic 3 miles southwest, via 737, 5,700, lands the far west runway.
Inside Rock 11 will maintain visual separation.
Rock 11 approved. Citation 1 Delta Echo, contact departure.
Order departure, 1 Delta Echo, goodbye.
Bye.
Departure, Citation 401 Delta Echo, 5,600 for 9,000.
November 401 Delta Echo, select departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 15,000 to resume normal speed.
Climb, maintain 15,000, normal speed, 1 Delta Echo.
November 1 Delta Echo, proceed direct Dirge.
Direct dirt. I didn't have that. Could you give me that?
November 1 Delta Echo, nope, that's because I don't know how to read your flight plan. Clear direct to Desert, you should have that one.
I do have that one. Direct Desert, 1 Delta Echo, thank you. Right. All right, after takeoff, landing gear handle is up, flaps are up, throttle set to climb, the damper is set, autopilot is on, 15,000 is set.
November 1 Delta Echo, contact Salt Lake Center 128.55, good day.
2855, 1 Delta Echo, good day. Center, Citation 401 Delta Echo with you, 11,700 for 15,000.
Center 401 Delta Echo, Salt Lake Center, climb maintain, flight level 360.
Climb maintain, flight level 360, 1 Delta Echo. I don't know if you'll be able to see all this, but maybe I'll do the dash with you real quick if you're not familiar with the Mustang. So over here on the far right is oxygen, and the pressure, you can see it there, and then ELT sits here underneath the wheel, and then the oxygen mast and headset versus mic switch is there. This is the air source select, so both left or right, and then here's your pressurization controls, cabin fan and air conditioning. Then over here is your bleed air temperature controls into the cabin. Back here is the cabin, and here's the front of the cockpit. This is your rheostats for the dimming of the lights in the front.
Order 670, contact Salt
All
Lake
your
Center
lights here, exterior,
128.55.
interior's up here.
Salt Lake 28.5, order
on the
670, order.
Then you got your gear handle here and your anti-skid switch here. All your windshield, engine, heats, pitot-static heats. And over here is your generators on the far left, generators, fuel, and power, standby instruments, regular power, avionics, and your ignition switches. And then, of course, you can't miss them in the middle, but the two PFDs on either side and the huge MFD in the middle where you do all your flight plans and procedures and everything else. And then the autopilot sits here in the center. Scoreboard is right here, so if you're curious of where I'm at or where I'm going, if you can see that, then work hard to tell you the autopilot's taking Lovelock, Lima Lima Charlie. That's a quick run through, 36,000 feet, and we should be landing in less than an hour. Hey everybody, here 28,000 feet to flight level 280 before we go over the Sierra Nevada mountains. Anyway, talk for those that might be interested in the engines on this Cessna Citation Mustang. So, two Pratt & Whitney 615 Foxtrot engines, 1,460 pounds of thrust per side. And how the engine basically works is you've got a fan in the front, you've got the compressor section, compresses the air, and then the combustion chamber, and then it goes through a hot section. The N2, shown here, is essentially the power section that's creating the power to run the compressor. And then on a separate shaft, there's one stage that on a separate shaft that goes all the way to the front that runs that fan, and that's your N1. So you can see here N2 is shown, speed in percent, and then N1 is shown here, speed in percent. Right now, fully FADEC engines. Now you can see I'm set in cruise. Ground speed's 303, and my true air speed's 344 knots. And then the ATT is shown here, a little over 700, a little less than 750 C. So that's kind of what you're watching here. And then you've got the battery and volts here. You got your fuel on the left side, and then cabin pressure in the center here. Trim set here, and then on the bottom
Pat
is your
241, contact open center,
position.
119.75.
119.75, Pat 241.
So that's pretty much how you monitor the aircraft and the engines on this side, and make sure that everything's operating correctly. Hello, everybody, and welcome. 36,000 feet, left Salt Lake, and we're headed to Northern California, Concord CA Airport. So we got rerouted a little bit because of military activity. Now we're going to Battle Mountain and then to Lovelock and then down. So Sierra Nevadas are coming up pretty quick. We got about an hour left, roughly. She's flying great. She got back from Chicago last night, and it's smooth up here right now. So hope you're enjoying the flight. Hopefully the GoPro caught the departure. I'll try to put that on there. If it did, it's been overheating and acting up as usual. So anyway, more to come on that. Still working on the GoPros and the sound and trying to get it right. So anyway, smooth. Everything's pretty good, and should be landing pretty soon. And then going to Los Angeles on Friday of this week, and I'm going to land in Long Beach. So hopefully I can get all the equipment to work, and you'll be able to take a look at that and see that trip. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll try to pull it together before I leave for Los Angeles.
Number 1 Delta Echo, contact approach 125.25, good day.
2555, 1 Delta Echo, good day.
I want to verify, it's 125.25.
2525, 1 Delta Echo, good day. Approach Citation 401 Delta Echo is with you at 12,000.
November 401 Delta Echo, NorCal Approach, descend to maintain 1010,000.
Descend maintain 10,000, 1 Delta Echo.
Citation 1 Delta Echo, descend to maintain 6,000.
Descend maintain 6,000, 1 Delta Echo.
November 1 Delta Echo, clear direct SEPTA, cross SEPTA at or above 3000, cleared RNAV, runway 19 at approach, circle runway 32.
All right, cleared direct FEVTA, cross FEVTA at or about 3000, and then RNAV 19 right, circle 32, 1 Delta Echo.
Simon Star 872, Bravo Romeo, Travis approach, Travis altimeter 3010, traffic, 3 o'clock, 4 miles, southbound, altimeter 4,500, appears next slow climb.
3010, looking for traffic, Travis Sergeant 2 Bravo.
Simon Star 2, Bravo Romeo, contact Travis approach 126.6, good day.
126.6, Travis Sergeant 2 Bravo, good day. Travis approach, good afternoon, Caravan November 79 Victor Hotel, 6900 VFR descent for Concord with call.
Caravan 79 Victor Hotel, Travis approach, Concord altimeter 3013.
3013, 9 Victor Hotel.
Number 9 Victor Hotel, traffic, 9 o'clock, 4 miles, turning southbound, citation 3000, descending for Concord, IFR.
Look at 9 Victor Hotel.
Number 1 Delta Echo, correction, November 1 Delta Echo, traffic, 9 o'clock, 4 miles, south, eastbound, descending for Concord, Caravan 4,500, descending for Concord.
Looking for traffic, and 1 Delta Echo is established on 19 right.
November 1 Delta Echo, roger, radar service terminated, contact Concord, have a good day.
For the tower, 1 Delta Echo, good day, you too.
Number 9 Victor Hotel.
Concord Tower, citation 401 Delta Echo, RNAV 19 right, circle to 32 right.
Citation 401 Delta Echo, Concord Tower, circle east of the airport, make right traffic, runway 32 right, report commencing your circle. Traffic off your right wing about 3 miles, altitude in case 4,300, also inbound to Concord Airport, say Caravan.
Okay, circle east and report when I break off the circle, 1 Delta Echo.
And Sirius 4 Whiskey Sierra, what's your on-course heading going to be?
On-course heading is going to be towards Stockton 384 Whiskey Sierra.
Sirius 4 Whiskey Sierra, roger, fly suggested heading 330 for traffic now.
330 right now, 384 Whiskey Sierra. Concord Tower, Caravan 79 Victor Hotel, about 7.5 to the north, inbound with call.
Caravan 79 Victor Hotel, Concord Tower, reduce your airspeed inbound, you're going to be following a citation just off your left wing about 2 miles. Altitude indicates 3,000, make right traffic, runway 32 right, report establishing downwind additional traffic, about 2 miles northwest of Concord Airport, northwestbound, altitude indicates 1,200 Sirius.
Caravan 79 Victor Hotel, slow speed down, looking for the citation, make right traffic, 32 right, and we'll let you know when we see him.
Concord Tower, 401 Delta Echoes, breaking off to the east for 32 right, 1 Delta Echo.
November 401 Delta Echo, roger, thank you. You're number 2, following the Cessna right base, runway 32 right, clear to land.
Number 2, clear to land, 32 right, 1 Delta Echo.
And Caravan 79 Victor Hotel, that previously mentioned citation traffic is off your left. They're circling eastbound now, altitude indicates 2,500.
Inside 9 Victor Hotel.
November 9 Victor Hotel, roger, thank you. Follow that aircraft inbound.
Follow that traffic inbound, 9 Victor Hotel.
Sirius 4 Whiskey Sierra, previously mentioned traffic's no factor, no additional traffic, frequency change approved, and you can resume your own navigation. Thanks for your help.
Roger that, 384 Whiskey Sierra.
And Caravan 9 Victor Hotel, you're going to be number 3 for the runway, following that previously mentioned citation jet traffic, causeway turbulence, runway 32 right, clear to land.
Number 3, 32 right, clear to land, follow the citation, 9 Victor Hotel.
Green. Up full.
Citation 1 Delta Echo, number 1 now.
Number 1, clear to land. 32 right, 1 Delta Echo.
Cessna 7 Echo Papa is able, left turn taxiway Alpha, cross runway 32 left, approach contact ground across, good day.
73 Bravo, exit Alpha, and approach ground.
And Cessna 7 Echo Papa, cross runway 32 left, approach contact ground across, good day.
7 Echo Papa, cross 32 left approach, and contact ground.
And Caravan 9 Victor Hotel, you're number 2 for the runway now.
Number 2, 9 Victor Hotel.
All right, 3 green, gear is down. Full flaps.
November 21 Mike, runway 32 left, clear for the option, traffic right base for the parallel runway, citation jet, causeway turbulence, additional traffic approach right base, turn for the parallel runways of Caravan.
Clear for the option, 32 left, we'll look for traffic in parallel runways, be a full stop, 21 Mike.
Roger.
Green, flap full.
Minimum.
Continue.
Check runway.
November 1 Delta Echo, disable left turn taxiway hotel, hold short of runway 32 left, remain my frequency.